side. Bike Week 2026.
Hey, sir, I love your car. What do you do for a living?
We're out here. 52 walks. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe right now.
Michigan Mafia Harley. Michigan Mafia. You gonna put it on the internet? Fuck yeah.
Go past North Oleander Avenue and turn right onto North Hollywood Avenue. Turn right onto North Hollywood Avenue. Then at the next stop sign, you'll turn left. At the next light, turn right. At the light, turn right onto North Peninsula Drive.